Hello everyone! Today we're gonna go to the Keys, especially to Key Largo to go to John Pennekamp. We have been there before. John Pennekamp is one of the most popular state parks in the Florida Keys and is one of our favorites. We love to go hiking with Venus and Apollo. Sadly, dogs are not allowed on the beach area, they're only allowed on the trails and in the campground. So we're not gonna be showing you any parts of the beach, just the trails. So if you're interested in seeing all the trails of John Pennekamp, keep on watching.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
The cost of the entrance for the park is $9 for two people. And if there's more people in your party, the prices start going like down. Like three people, it was only $9.50. Four people was $10, and I believe the maximum it was like $12. Also, you could get the annual pass of the Florida state parks if you're a person that like to go hiking a lot in different state parks of Florida. We are considering in getting the Florida annual pass. We're not sure yet, but I think it will be very beneficial for us to get it, so we have it in mind. This is a really pretty trail, right, Nus? Go, Nushi. I love how this tree there, it looked like it have fallen, but it's still alive and it looks so pretty. It looks like we are in an enchanted forest or something. Let's go, Venus. We lost Daddy and Pocket. We just finished the first trail and we're gonna do a rest stop to drink some water and for them to cool off. The trails here are really short, so if you're like an expert hiker, maybe this is not the park for you. But if you're like us, the way you just like to do small trails here and there, I love this place. It's so pretty, shaded, and it's close to home.
Good thing I brought the extra battery.
You die already?
Well, I haven't charged this battery in like forever.
Come on, Venus. Easy, Apollo. I'm not sure if this is an official trail. I couldn't find a name with a trailhead. But this is right next to the Tamarind Trail. And it looked very shaded. It had grass. It looked pretty nice. I think this is the trail that takes you to the RV park because they have a campground area here and it's a group camp area. So I guess this is a trail. We just have never seen it before. And it looked pretty nice actually. I really like that it's very shaded. And it's wider than the other two that we have done previously. Come on, buddy.
Biggest waterfall you'll find in Florida.
What?
The biggest waterfall you'll find in Florida. Give me a sip.
What is the water for?
I don't know. And this is a little water.
It's an exploration well.
Look. Yeah. Papa? Papa?
It's getting a little in the hot side, so I think we're gonna stop soon to give them more water and to cool off in the shade. Now we are officially in the Tamarind Trail. This trail we have done it before the last time that we came. He's not smelling either. Baby, come to drink water, mommy.